My wife got me this saw several years ago. I don't even think they make it anymore, but it is the Craftsman Evolv, 10-inch blade, 15 amp motor. You might have it. To get you the actual model and everything number, it's right here. So if this is what you have, and you have a switch that goes out, and that's exactly what happened to me. I scoured the internet trying to find wiring, try to figure out how to do it, because like a dummy, I removed the old switch and I didn't take note on how the wire placement goes on to the new switch. I took off the old one, and anyhow, so it was absolutely a switch that was bad. I went ahead and double checked that. I checked continuity, and this is the old switch right here, and it's no good. There was no continuity, and so anyhow, I got a new switch, and through trial and error, I figured out what the wiring should be, and actually it's fairly simple. The white wires go on one side, the black wires go on the other. And to be more specific and to make it real simple, white goes on right and black goes on left. And I would say, when I say right, I mean facing it just like this. So this being the right side, these are the white wires. This being the black side, this being the left side, these are the black wires. I do hope that this helps you if you run into the same problem. That's it.